So we're back, and we have this motherboard that was brought in by a colleague today. It has a power problem. So when you plug the charger to the power jack, it doesn't reflect any light, no LED light. So we had to go into work and see what might be causing it. But it was actually a quick discovery. The ceramic capacitor, was shot to the ground. So we had to discover that on time after a little check. So that was it, and we had to replace that ceramic capacitor to enable power to come into the system. So we had to replace from another scrap board. So the ceramic capacitor has been blown. Both sides are shot to ground, and we have to take it out and replace it with a working one and see if it will correct this problem of power not coming into the system. Because from our diagnosis with our multimeter, the 19.5 volts stopped at the first MOSFET close to the power jack. So now that we've replaced the capacitor, we'll do another quick check with a multimeter to see if it's still short to ground, and it seems it is okay, because previously it was short to ground. And now that we've replaced it, let's see if it will reflect the power. You see, yes, that is how the LED light reflects, and the fan rolls, it means the system is okay. So see the light, that's a sign of power coming into the system now. For this particular board, it's LED light it doesn't stay, unlike other ones. It just gives you that flashlight. But when you use your battery, you need to be stable. So now the power is okay. The fan rolls at the very moment you plug in your charger and stops, means everything was done perfect. So the capacitor that was replaced has solved this issue. We have to return it back to our colleague who brought it.